What up, everybody? I am back. I had ran out of memory on my phone, so and this is what happens when I'm trying to hold film record. I need a special helmet or something. I don't want to say damn flies. I don't want to say short bus special helmet, but you know. I see it all the time. People that got like GoPros on the edge of their hats and shit. I need one of those just for this. It looks like I'm giving you guys my best. This is like, stop. Anyhow, yeah. So we're gonna take this here. We're gonna go on the top on this edge here, and we're going to basically get you. So I'm gonna pause. Okay, so this is gonna be a two-part video. So what I did was I readjusted. Peeled all this tape off from the first section. I should have probably did a longer piece, right? Anyhow. We're gonna put you like that. So here. Up. Okay, that's popped off here. And bang. So, with this goofiness going on, I'm going to try to keep some more in. And now it's been smoother because it's not writing or touching. So we got this sitting on top. Oh, scheiße. Anyhow, mainly in the top, down here as well. It's sitting, so it's giving the cushion. It's not up against here. It's sitting right on top of the frame of the radiator. So I'm not giving a little cushion to sit. It's keeping it also insulated. So I'm debating about this section here. Just leave it alone. More than likely. I'm going to install this in another day. Because I want to get the hardware before I do anything else. So that way it doesn't look ghettofied and, you know. Anyhow, we're doing work. We are doing some work. Hood is up. So, other video. This is straight. This one was backwards. So it's boom. So I gotta adjust the camber. At least get a base off of this one. Fix that one over there. I gotta check the shock because it's a little oily, and I'm hoping that it's not sealed or is blown. If it's not blown, we're good. If it is, then we're gonna have to figure out about getting it rebuilt, replaced, serviced. Oh, the wind is blowing. I've been having some tobacco lately, and it's not been agreeing with me, so I gotta quit all that. So, hanging with the neighbor. I was good for 4 years. Got back here then last year, year number 5. Cigars, and then bam. Yeah, we're gonna leave that alone. Get rid of this damn indigestion. It's been with me for the past few weeks. So, had to wash it yesterday. Don't look like it, but she got rinsed off. Engine bay got rinsed out. Got a lot of the spider webs out. That's why the wood is there. I'm going to lift it up, pull the driver's side wheel off, because that nut there does not spin out, or in, I should say. It's just stuck. It won't come out, so I'm going to have to loosen that and then fiddle with it with some, what you call it. Okay, I'm going to definitely have to look at all this and straighten that shit out of there. Because the other sections got bent where it's not supposed to be bent. I think I'm right at the right place. But anyhow, we're going to get all this crap together eventually, really soon. But first, we're going to finish getting some of these things. Gotta get some more 6s like these, the ones that I have on the other one, on the radiator fan. So one's here, and I'm gonna use one for here. Not sure if I'm going to put one in there or put a long one in there because it's supposed to be long. Crazy. But we're almost done. Not like it's going to be like, oh yeah, then we're going to start next weekend. No. We're almost done with figuring out what all we're going to do because we're dealing with wind. These damn flies. So I'm going to get back to work up in here, get some more stuff cleaned, moved around, and let you people have a good day. So drink you some water, wash your hands. I got to go get a couple of bottles of water myself. Come out and enjoy the light. See, the Californians always want to be like this, no matter until we have rain. So you all have a good day. Be good or be good at it, and where's the sugar free? Peace.